Have you ever noticed how so many people start believing that life somehow ends after 65? As if everything meaningful is already behind them. But here's the truth most people never hear. The human body was designed to live well beyond 100 years. At 65, you haven't reached the end, you've barely crossed the halfway point. Your heart can still beat billions more times. Your brain is still capable of forming new cells. Your muscles can still rebuild, often stronger than they were decades earlier. So why don't most people reach that potential? Not because their bodies fail, but because their daily habits send the wrong signals. Researchers at Harvard University followed over 44,000 adults aged 60 and older for more than 20 years. What they discovered was astonishing. Those who practiced 6 simple morning habits lived up to 30 years longer, with sharper memory, stronger legs, and far fewer signs of aging. Not from pills, not from expensive treatments, but from how they started their day. Every morning, your body wakes up waiting for instructions. The first 60 minutes after you open your eyes determine whether your cells move into repair mode or begin breaking down. Start your day with sugar, stress, or inactivity, and your body thinks it's under threat. Healing shuts down. Start with the right actions, and your body activates a powerful longevity switch, keeping your arteries flexible, muscles strong, and energy steady all day. In this video, you'll learn 5 proven morning habits that can extend your life after 65 and help your body feel decades younger. Make sure you stay until the end, because habit number 2 has been shown to activate a deep cellular repair process scientists often refer to as the body's internal fountain of youth. All studies and references are listed below. Before we begin, tell me your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every comment. Now let's begin. Habit number 5. Get 10 minutes of natural morning sunlight. Exposure to natural daylight within 10 minutes of waking can reset your biological clock and reduce your biological age by up to 5 years, according to a Johns Hopkins study measuring cellular aging markers in over 3,000 participants. Your eyes contain special light-sensitive cells that don't help you see. They communicate directly with your brain's master clock. Morning light triggers rapid drop in melatonin, healthy cortisol release. Hormonal synchronization for the next 24 hours. Seniors who received morning sunlight showed 43% better sleep quality, 38% lower depression, longer protective chromosome caps linked to longevity. Skipping morning light shifts your internal clock later, leaving you alert at night and exhausted during the day. This pattern accelerates cognitive decline and raises dementia risk. Even cloudy daylight is far more powerful than indoor lighting. Artificial screens do not replace this effect. Morning light also boosts serotonin, your brain's natural antidepressant. If you can't go outside, sit near a bright window, but earlier is better. After 10 a.m., the effect drops sharply. Combined with hydration, morning light creates a powerful anti-aging synergy. Habit number 4. Eat 30 grams of complete protein within 90 minutes. Consuming at least 30 grams of complete protein within 90 minutes of waking can dramatically slow muscle loss, a condition more dangerous to seniors than heart disease. A University of Texas study following adults over 60 found that seniors who front-loaded protein preserved over 70% more muscle mass than those who ate most protein later in the day. Muscle loss increases fall risk by 400%. A single serious fall after 65 carries a 30% mortality risk within 1 year. Morning protein works because muscle repair systems are most active early in the day. Most seniors eat less than 15 g at breakfast, forcing the body to break down muscle tissue for amino acids. Complete proteins like eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, or meat trigger far greater muscle synthesis than grains alone. 30 grams is the threshold. Less doesn't activate sufficient repair. Vegetarians may need closer to 38-40 g. Protein also strengthens bones, joints, and connective tissue. Habit number 3. Daily balance training. Single leg standing. Standing on one leg for 30 to 60 seconds each morning can reduce fatal fall risk by over 80%, according to a long-term Mayo Clinic study. Balance training activates neural pathways that deteriorate with age, reconnecting brain and muscle communication. Seniors unable to stand on one leg for 10 seconds showed significantly higher risk of stroke and early death. Balance exercises are most effective in the morning, when the vestibular system is most adaptable. This training increases reaction time, strengthens stabilizing muscles, and builds new neural tissue in balance-related brain regions. Start near a wall or chair. Lift one foot slightly and hold. Progress gradually. Habit number 2. Deep breathing, 4-7-8 technique. 10 rounds of 4-7-8 breathing immediately after waking has been shown to reverse biological aging markers and improve longevity at the genetic level. This technique increases telomerase activity, lowers inflammation, reduces cortisol by up to 50% and improves heart rate variability. Most seniors breathe shallowly, depriving organs of oxygen. The extended exhale activates deep repair pathways, improves circulation, and enhances oxygen delivery. This practice takes under 3 minutes, yet outperforms many medications in long-term impact. Habit number 1. Consistent morning movement. Light movement after breathing, even standing, stretching, or chair exercises, completes the cycle by circulating blood, nutrients, and oxygen. These 6 habits work together, each amplifying the others. Start with one to add another each week. Within 6 weeks, you build a routine that reprograms your body toward longevity. Your future self depends on the choices you make tomorrow morning. So now the real question is this. Which one of these habits are you going to start tomorrow morning? You don't need to change everything at once. In fact, research shows that starting with just one habit and stacking another each week creates the strongest and most lasting results. Within a few weeks, these small changes compound into a powerful daily routine that supports strength, balance, brain health, and long-term independence. Remember, aging is not about getting weaker. It's about giving your body the right signals. The decisions you make in the first hour of your day quietly shape how strong, alert, and mobile you'll be years from now. Your future self is depending on the habits you build today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our science-based strategies for living stronger and longer after 60. And now we want to hear from you. Which morning habit surprised you the most? Or which one feels hardest to start? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.